And today we're going to be doing a volcano experiment, but I'm not doing this alone. I'm doing it with my family members, Shreya and Sifty, both of my sisters. All right, guys, first we're going to use baking soda, so let's put it in. Okay. 1, 2, 3. I guess that's good. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now do the last one.
That's great.
All right, then. Okay, so sprinkles. Is that enough? That's enough.
Enough. I put it in the other.
This is definitely more than enough. Did you already put it in?
Yes, I did.
Since this is the big one, I should put a hunk.
I mean, you could
Should I? Is this enough?
get an extra baby sponge.
Is this enough?
Okay, I think that's enough.
Is this enough?
That is it.
Sure, that's enough. All right. Now that we did the baking powder, next up we're gonna put the food coloring. On my volcano, I want it to be blue, because blue is my favorite color.
I got green and orange.
I got yellow and red. What are my two favorite colors? All right, let's see, blue. My favorite color, yellow. Wanna put it in? Is one squirt?
Yes.
Okay. Alright guys, we already put the baking soda, we put the food coloring, and we put the soap. Now we're gonna mix it. Slider it, mix it. Gonna mix it. Wow, let's see yours. Whoa. It's Dawn Power. It's making everything right. Mine looks red. It smells a bit red actually. It smells weird. Oh yeah, it smells like soap. It does smell like soap. Because of what we added. For the final last ingredient, the vinegar! Dun, dun, dun! Will it explode or not? Please don't. Alright guys, we now have the vinegar. First, we're gonna do these two, and then this big one. Alright, Shreya, Cynthia, go. Open our vinegar. It's exploding! Wait, what if I put all of it? Should I? Yeah. Oh, it's crazy. No, this is crazy. Three, 2, 1, guys. Oh! Ooh, that's a lot. That was an accident. Oh, the spoons! Wait.
Oh, it's gonna get on the floor.
Bro, hold on. We did it, but now let's see if we can do it even more. Yo! Wait, let's kind of do a big one. Whoa! Bro, it's still reacting. Look, I want to see if I can gonna use all of it. No, I don't think so. All right, let's pour a little. All of it. I'm using all of it. Yo, look, it's getting darker. Ooh, sure. Now you're just copying. Whoa. No. Wait, Wait, give me the baking powder.
I wanna play with the.
Is there any more baking powder? There's better than. Put it on.
But it. Wait, mine too.
Yo. Guys, we just made it. We just made so many volcanoes. And now let's pour. Oh, 3, 2, 1. Ah! Whoa.
Now I'm gonna make.
Whoa, look at the table. Everything exploded.
Some hot chili. Does anybody want some hot chili?
I have ice.
The ice cream business. Hey, hot chili. What are you doing with hot chili?
The volcanoes are destroyed. Hi, win. Guys, please like this video, share this video with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and we'll be back in the next video. Goodbye. It's so
Hot chili.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Daniel.
Welcome.
Are we ready? Yes. You put your hair, don't go. Yeah. You look good. But come here.
Here, hot chili. What are you doing with hot chili?
The volcanoes are destroyed. Hi, win.
Stop.
I'm sorry. We'll be back after a few moments.